Hey everybody, today's experiment is going to be using vegetable oil, a little bit of a lighter oil, like this is body oil, but you can use baby oil, and a clear container and an ice cube. So let's check it out. Okay, so first you can pour in your oil, your vegetable oil. And then on top, I'm gonna put my baby oil. Now I'm just gonna wait a few minutes to let it separate. And once it's separated, then I'm gonna drop my ice cube in. All right, so I let that settle for about 15 minutes. You might have to do that. Now let's see what happens. Okay, right away, it dropped right down to the bottom and then came back up. So now it's sitting in the middle of the solution or the mixture. It's not a solution, it's a mixture because it's separate. A solution mixes and does not separate. This is a mixture, so it's separating. And you can see there that the water is slowly leaking off that ice cube. That is so cool. So, as I suspected, because the vegetable oil is heavier and more dense, it is suspending the ice cube. But then the baby oil or the body oil, the lighter oil, is less dense and it is not able to float the ice cube on top. So it's suspended, the ice cube is suspended in between the two oils. And you can see that the ice cube is melting still. And now the water is pouring down the side of the ice cube, and you can see that. Look at that. That is so awesome. Look at the water drip down to the bottom, because we know that water is more dense than oil. So oil floats on top of water, but the ice cube is less dense than water, so it is floating on top of the vegetable oil. And then as it's melting, the water is becoming more dense than the vegetable oil, so it's floating down to the bottom. That is so cool. All right, enjoy.